Welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Can we fix our addictive behaviors? Now that's the key question. Change our behaviors when it comes to addictions. Yes, we can fix our behaviors. But can we heal disease? Yes, with medication we can. But what if we can fix it with our thoughts that connect to our heart, means our soul? This process takes practice, patience, and persistence, and changing the way we think. So changing the way I thought about addictions as a disease started shifting my way of thinking. In the past, I thought, poor me, you know what? I'm going to use alcohol or drugs to fix my problems, to dive into addiction as a cure to heal my behavior or my feelings. And did it work? No, it made it worse. So thinking about alcohol or drugs as a medication to fix our behaviors or the way we think or the way we feel is a form of medication. So how can medication work to fix the medication we're using to fix the problem? And the problem is not the addiction. It's not the disease. It's our way of thinking. And when we change the way we think, it means the way I thought about myself, I started to shift and change the way I feel about the world and my self-worth as a person. It wasn't the medication and it wasn't the drug or the alcohol that caused the problem in the first place. What did cause the issue was my belief system from when I was a child, when I was a teenager, when I was an adult, and thinking that alcohol or drugs or medication is going to fix me, when I had this light bulb shoot up in my brain saying, no way, I don't have a disease, I don't have a problem. The problem is not the problem. The issue is the way I thought about myself. And when we change that thought, change that way of believing and thinking, we start to shift everything in our lives. Alcohol is not a disease. There isn't anything wrong with you. It has to do with our belief system. It means there is nothing wrong with me. So that means there's nothing wrong with individuals that have addictions. It's the choice they're making to fix their issue. And when we change that way of thinking, means when I changed my way of thinking, I stopped drinking. I stopped using drugs. It is possible by changing the way we think and how we feel and how we behave in this world. Addiction's not a disease. Make a different choice. Have a different path in life. Make your choice. Choose in favor of you, because you are the most important person in your life. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye for now.